In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play GTA RP on your laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download FiveM, which allows you to connect to various different roleplay servers on GTA 5. So this is going to work for any Windows-based laptop, and if you have an Apple laptop or an Apple computer, you can still do it, but you will have to install Windows through something like Boot Camp, so keep that in mind. So in order to access GTA 5 RP with FiveM, you just have to go over to their website at fivem.net. This is going to work if you want GTA 5 to do Steam or Epic games. You can see the recommended specs here. So the recommended one is Windows 11 with this CPU or equivalent from AMD or Intel, and then this GPU. Or alternatively, just make sure that you meet the minimum requirements. Now, to actually start playing, you just have to click on Download Client. Make sure that you read and agree with the terms of service, and then you will get this FiveM executable file. You can open this to run the installer. So you just have to go ahead with the installation. You will be able to get it working on your PC, and once this opens, you will see the launcher where you can click play and choose the option to connect to various different servers. So the process is quite automated. Now, I'm not going to complete it in this video, so I'm just going to click no, but you should go ahead and finish this installation. Once this is done, you can click on servers on the website, or just click on play inside of the launcher itself for FiveM. And once you open the launcher and go into the servers, you can connect into any of them. So you can filter them by ping, by country, by amount of players, and there are a lot of options to choose from. Usually, these ones will have some strict RP rules that you have to follow, and a lot of them will have the Discord server link here, so you can join and interact with the community or get instructions on how to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA RP on your laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.